Welcome back to our channel, where we empower real estate professionals like you to take charge of their workflow. In today's video, we will explore the top 10 tips and tricks to help you maximize efficiency using Kvcore. Stay tuned until the end for some amazing insights that will revolutionize your real estate game. Before we dive into the hacks, let's quickly highlight what Kvcore is all about. Kvcore is an all-in-one real estate platform designed to streamline your workflow, enhance lead generation, and automate communication. It's the secret weapon every agent needs to stay one step ahead in this competitive industry. Hack 1: Customizing your dashboard. Our first hack is all about customizing your Kvcore dashboard. By tailoring it to your specific needs, you can have all the essential information at your fingertips. From recent leads and appointments to key metrics, make sure your dashboard serves as a comprehensive overview of your business. Hack 2: Leveraging smart campaigns. Smart campaigns are a game changer in Kvcore. Utilize the power of automation by setting up smart campaigns that engage and nurture your leads automatically. From personalized emails to targeted advertisements, smart campaigns will save you time while keeping your leads engaged. Hack 3: Creating effective landing pages. In order to capture leads effectively, you need compelling landing pages. Kvcore offers an easy-to-use landing page builder with customizable templates. Make sure to optimize your landing pages with enticing content, eye-catching visuals, and clear call-to-action buttons to convert visitors into leads. Hack 4: Utilizing behavioral automation. Behavioral automation is a powerful feature in Kvcore. By tracking user behavior on your website and within the platform, you can automatically send targeted messages and listings based on their interests. This personalization enhances engagement and increases the chances of converting leads into clients. Hack 5: Integrating third-party apps. Kvcore seamlessly integrates with various third-party apps to expand its functionalities. From CRMs to email marketing tools, leverage these integrations to consolidate your workflow and minimize the need for multiple platforms. Take advantage of the wide range of options available to tailor Kvcore to your exact needs. Hack 6: Lead generation made easy. Generating leads is crucial for success in real estate. Kvcore offers multiple customizable lead generation tools, such as squeeze pages and automated Facebook lead ads. Explore these options and discover what works best for your business. With Kvcore at your side, lead generation becomes efficient and effective. Hack 7: Maximizing contact management. Efficient contact management is essential for maintaining strong client relationships. Kvcore provides a centralized hub for managing your contacts, tracking interactions, and ensuring timely follow-ups. Stay organized, prioritize your leads, and provide personalized experiences to nurture long-lasting connections. Hack 8: Collaborative workspaces. Working in teams or with partners. Kvcore's collaborative workspaces allow seamless coordination and sharing of information. From shared calendars and tasks to document management, these workspaces enhance teamwork and streamline communications within your organization. Hack 9: Analytics and reporting. Understanding your performance is key to making data-driven decisions. Kvcore provides detailed analytics and reporting features, giving you insights into lead sources, conversion rates, and other key metrics. Leverage this information to optimize your strategies and focus on what works best for your business. Hack 10: Continuous learning and support. Never stop learning. Kvcore offers a wealth of resources, including video tutorials, webinars, and a dedicated support team. Stay updated with the latest features and improvements, and don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. By continuously improving your core skills, you'll stay ahead of the competition. And that concludes our top 10 hacks to supercharge your Kvcore experience. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in maximizing efficiency and achieving your real estate goals. Remember to implement these hacks in your workflow and let us know in the comments which one resonates with you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.